guys, yesterday I have a competition and I'm the first runner-up. So my daddy and mommy gave this big present to me. I'm so excited to open it. It has accessories. Look. It has lots of accessories and there is one Barbie and my mommy's gonna break this out. Rubbish. Well, I'm gonna take the Barbie out. It's so cute. I'm gonna get the scissors. Okay, this one. Whoa, 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 whoa. The Barbie's standing, but not cutting its head. Come on, Barbies. Oops. That's okay. I'm gonna throw this rubby. And the Barbie's coming. Look how beautiful the Barbie is. And there's one more. Oopsie. I dropped my scissors. There. I'm gonna reach this. Look how cute the Barbie is. I got another Barbies, which means this one for twins. So, I'm gonna open this. Okay, I'm so excited, so I need the Barbie to get off. Ew. Whoa, 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 it's so big. Cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. That was really cool. And how can this be done? Oh, wow, we need the scissors. It's so cool. Oops. I'm gonna cut this out and I think you won't see me. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's so cool and nice. Whoa. Let's look at the accessories. Wow. Listed stickers. Well, there's speaking stops and everything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's open the accessories. And 2 chairs there. 1 swimming pool that you can get real water in it. Now I'm gonna cut this for sure. Whoa, 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 whoa. Maybe my mommy should cut it. It's so not easy. And I'm going to introduce the instructions. Look, this is the house. And this is the Barbie with the house. And that's so cool. And my mommy already get this accessories out. Wow, it's so cool. Ooh, it's got a blanket that leaves. And there is the hanger. I don't know what it is, but I call it the hanger. Ooh, a little plant here. In a frying pan. Well, there is the 2 knives. Come on, I'm gonna get you out. Whoa, it's got an iPad. There is 2 juices and 2 plates. There is the forkies. There's a hairbrush, Barbie sign. This is the soap for washing your hands. There. First, yes, I know what to do because I already rated. So I'm gonna stick stickers. Look. Yeah, it's got stickers. And I'm gonna fry the milkshakes. It's not good for frying a milkshake. Okay, let's bring the house back. And it's the stickers I already show you. It's the oven, this is the cupboard. This is the flowers and everything. And this is the number for their home. It's so cool. Now I'm gonna bring this home back. And first I need to pick up the things and put it inside that bathing thing. And this one and this. And all the accessories. Well, especially the iPad. And this hanger is here. And the knife. I forget the knife and I'm gonna put it in. And don't talk about the accessories. Whoa, 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 whoa. Peekaboo. Oh. It's so cool. Ooh. And I'm gonna turn around this one. And this is a door. It's adorable. It's so cute. How cool is that? And it got this one. Yes. And how it works. And I got the table down. If you want to have this one, you can go to Toys R Us and you can get prizes. Ta-da! Look how good is this. I'm gonna first stick the cupboard. You guys won't see it because that sticker is impossible. Well, there, the cupboard is done. Now I'm gonna stick the oven. The oven. Cause it's done. Look at the oven, nice and clean. Now it's this one's time to 19. And I'm gonna stick it at the back. There, I'm gonna turn this around again. There, you can see it clearly. There, 1219. I messed it all up. And the last, the two garden flowers. Oh yeah, this side. I'm gonna give it to show to you. There, the flower's done. And now the last flower and the last sticker. Whoa, it sticks my hair. It sticks here. Well, turn it round again and put the accessories. Come on, you. Fixies. I'm gonna put it here. There. All done. And this toe chest. Gonna put it here. Well, I'm gonna put it here. There's those of fears. Gonna hang this one. Gonna get this hat out. I'm gonna put this here. Look. There's the hanger. There. And the drinks. Look how cute is it? And I'm gonna put it. Well, here's it. I'm gonna put it here. Put the other pinky pump bottle the other round. There. And the plates. There. The chairs and the other plate. Put it here. They got to drink it and eat something nice. There. Great and nice. The frying pan. There's no sign of Barbie, but that's okay. Still love it. Done. The grand finale, the bottle. Here. There you can wash your hands. And most of all, the table things that you can use it. It's table manner. There. The other knife. It's open. Oops. I'm gonna pick it up. Well, how about let's don't use this one. I'm gonna just put it outside. The forkies and the one last spoon. Then the last spoon. There. In most of all the iPad. It's gonna be here. Then the brush. It's in the closet. Last. This. That's blanky. Blanky blank. There. Finish. The last. The bath. Great. And she can run around and eating things and dance. Oops, her shoes are falling off. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell and like and share me. I'm Belle. Qing Qing. Goodbye. Love you guys.